Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to keep Slack active. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your workspace, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the bottom left corner you can see your profile icon. Click on it. Then this type of drop-down menu will appear in your screen. In the drop-down menu you can see Set yourself as away or Set yourself as active option. If you are active, then you will see Set yourself as away option. Click on it. Then your account will be deactive. Again click to that your profile icon, then you can see Set yourself as active option. Click on it, then you will be active. This is how you can keep Slack active. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.